man. It's some cereal. I just bought some cabinet counter at the store, man. It's in the cabinet.
Hey, something's wrong here, man.
What's up, man?
Berry Crackles? I thought you said we had Captain Crunch.
That's a cereal for the baby.
No, the baby needs a cereal. And I thought we had Captain Crunch.
It was at the end of the cereal aisle.
This is not what...
Defense gets right up on him.
It's the same thing as Captain Crunch.
Dominicana said that.
Hey, English, motherfucker.
What the heck, man? Don't be worried about my language.
English.
Get this and get yourself a village about there, man. I'm sick and tired of you sitting your ass down there not doing anything for the family. No, cut it.
But why you not control out my hand, though?